Hello guys, today I'm going to explain how does Emergency SOS via satellite works. So actually, what via satellite means? When there is no signal at all, your iPhone can connect directly to the satellite overhead and send short emergency messages. Apart from that, it can share location and relay info to local emergency services. It doesn't work like a phone call or normal texting. It's a guided message-based system, and it's only available in some places, like not in EU. I mean EU it is, but not in some countries of the EU. For example, in Poland, it's not available at all. It activates automatically when you try to call emergency SOS. There's no cellular service and Wi-Fi, and it displays on your screen that you are connected via satellite on screen. And how actually you trigger that? At first, you need to press the side button and volume button, or of course your set method, and iPhone checks for signal. If there is no cellular or Wi-Fi, your iPhone switches to the satellite mode. And here the quick questions should appear on your screen. Simple taps like, what's the emergency? Is anyone injured? Are you alone? Then you are guided to the satellite. On-screen arrow help you point your iPhone at the satellite, and you may need a clear view of the sky. Then messages are sent, your answers and location are transmitted, and a relay center contacts local emergency services. There are two-way updates. You may receive follow-up questions, and your location can update if you move. And maybe how fast it is? Its initial connection seconds to a few minutes. Message sending is 15 to 60 seconds per message. Varies, of course, and it's slower than cellular, but it works when nothing else does. And it uses GPS and satellite. It's more accurate with a clear sky, and it can take a few minutes in trees, mountains, or bad weather. And as I said, it works in outdoor only because satellite signals don't pass through buildings, and it requires carriers emergency services. What it cannot do, maybe it can't like no voice calls, no photos, no videos, no browsing or normal texting, and not for non-emergency chatting. It's only emergency by design. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.